ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। आत्ममनः संवाद 8th श्लोक। हे मन त्वम् अभावरूपमसि। माइंड यू आर अभावरूप। युक्तितः निरीक्ष्यमाणे तव अस्तिता नास्ति। You don't have any existence if we inquire through reasoning. Sato hi anashat. Sat vastu doesn't have nasha. Asat vastu doesn't have janma. Dvayam chetaha. He chetaha tava dvayam. You have both. You have nasha also, you have janma also. Because you have nasha, therefore you are not sat. You have janma also, therefore you are not atyanta asat. Therefore, nastita ishyate, that you have to understand as paramarthatah, you are not existent. You have only mithya, vyavaharik satyam. यद्वा भेद कल्पकस्य मनसो अभाव रूपादपि सद अद्वयत्वम आत्मनः सदा अद्वयत्वम आत्मा भेद कल्पकस्य मनसः माइंड विच इज प्रोजेक्टिंग भेद but it is not. In Tika it is given abhava rupa. Abhava rupa doesn't mean it is like praga bhava pradvansa bhava, like that abhava rupa. Paramarthika drashtya abhava. And therefore Atma is always Advitiya, even when mind is there. Ityaha abhava rupam tvamasi. युक्ति तो निरीक्षमाणे तव अस्तिता नहीं इति उक्ताम युक्तिम आह. Then what is the yukti? If we say yuktitah you don't have existence, yukti is this: if you were sat, you would not have nash. Sato hi anashat. And asato api ajanmato. So sato hi anashat satyata. Asato hi ajanmatah asatyata. Or asatvat asatvam. तथा च आह भगवान नासतो विद्यते भावो ना भावो विद्यते सतः इति द्वयम जन्म विनाशाख्यम ते तव. ये चेतः तव द्वयम, you have both janma and vinasha. Means you are neither sat nor asat. You can use this other way also. Satah ajanma, asatah anasha. Sat vastu doesn't have janma. Asat vastu cannot have destruction. Vandyaputra mrityu doesn't happen. That way also you can use. But shloka is very clear. अतस्तव नास्तिता इष्यते. नास्तिता इष्यते परमार्थ सत्वम न इष्यते इत्यर्थः. You don't have paramarthik satyatvam, O mind. This discussion, this kind of thinking is valid for whom? The one who can understand my mind is a problem. If someone thinks people are problem and world is problem and they have to solve those things, they don't need Vedanta. They are busy solving external problems. There is no external problem. Mind is the problem. Whose mind? My mind. बीजा भावे कुतः फलम इति न्यायेन अद्वैतत्वम आत्मनो विषयति. If bija itself is not there, then where is the question of phala? So what is the bija here? Bija for dvaita. Bija for dvaita is mind. If mind is, then nanatvam is there, dvaitam. If mind is not there, nanatvam is not there. So atma is still advaitam. दृष्टा च दृश्यं च तथा च दर्शनम् भ्रमस्तु सर्वस्तव कल्पितो हि सः दृशेश्च भिन्नौ न हि दृश्यमीक्ष्यते स्वपन् प्रबोधेन तथा न विद्यते दृष्टा च दृश्यं च तथा च दर्शनम् भ्रमस्तु सर्वस्तव कल्पितो हि सः दृशेश्च भिन्नं न हि दृश्यमीक्ष्यते स्वपन् प्रबोधेन तथा न विद्यते. दृष्टा दृश्य दर्शनम, all of them are भ्रमः. सर्वः भ्रमः तु तव कल्पितः हि सः. All of this Brahma is mind, your kalpita. You have created this multitude. दृश्येश्च भिन्नम न हि दृश्यमीक्ष्यते. दृश्ये भिन्नम, from the drashta, panchami. From drashta, there is no other bhinna drishya. Bhagavan Bhashyakar uses lot of Yoga Vasishtha ideas also. Actually, in many granthas of Bhagavan Bhashyakar, the ideas from his Purva Acharyas who are Vedanta Acharyas. So, granthas like Yoga Vasishtha, Ashtavakra, or Purana also, any Purana which talks about Vedanta ideas, and Mandukya Karika. These are the sources from where either concepts or things come. Then these, they get elaborated by later Acharyas, Vidyaranya Swamiji or Sureshwar Acharya ji, Padmapada Acharya, Madhusudan Saraswati ji, all of them. Different from Drashta, there is no Drishya. Drishya doesn't have independent reality. It cannot prove its existence. Swapan prabodhena tatha na vidyate. Just like the Swapna Drashta and Swapna Drishya. Swapna Drishya appears to be different in Swapna. But Swapan Prabodhena, Swapan, Jiva who is sleeping, Shatru Pratyaya. Like Pashyan, Srunvan, Swapan. Prabodhena, when he wakes up, then Drishya, Swapna Drishya, different from Drashta, is never there. Na vidyate. Tava kalpitas means Tvat kritaha. This triad स्तव कल्पितः त्वत्कृतः किंच आगंतुकस्य अविज्ञात सत्व अभावात् अपि आत्मा अद्वय इत्याह। आगंतुक वस्तु does not have अविज्ञात सत्व means ज्ञातैक सत्व। आगंतुक वस्तु will have existence only when it is known. What is not agantuka means which thing is not agantuka?
Brahma.
Brahma.
Other than Brahma, everything is having agantuka existence. So they all have avijñata sattva abhava means they have vijñata sattva only. Only when I know, then they are existing. Like our mind also. If I am not aware of my mind, it is as good as not existing. I don't know how to use it then. Therefore, also Atma is Advaya ityaha drishescha भिन्नम नहि दृश्यम इक्षते जडस्य स्वतः स्फुरण अभावात् अस्फुरतस्य सत्वे प्रमाण अभावात् इत्यादि। जड़ वस्तु doesn't have स्वतः स्फुरण. It has to depend upon something else, which is chaitanya. So prameya always has to depend upon pramata. And aspuratasya, if a vastu doesn't have spuranam, then aspuratasya sattve pramana bhava. There is no pramanam that it is existing. How will you prove it is existing? Only if you know it. Knowledge will prove its existence. Otherwise, there is no proof that it is existing. Proof means valid means of knowledge, pramana. तथा सति स्वपन आत्मा प्रबोधेन जागृदादिना न विद्यते. तथा सति, then that being the case, swapan atma, the dreamer atma, prabodhena jagradadina, he is not different from the jagrad, na vidyate. यथा स्वाप अवस्थायाम अद्वितीय एव तथा अवस्थांतरे अपि. Just as in dream, I am non-dual because drishya doesn't have different satta. In Jagrat also I am non-dual because drishya doesn't have different satta. But this to prove is second chapter of Mandukya. That just as I am non-dual in Swapna, I am also non-dual in Jagrat. Even though in Swapna, Uchita Desha Kala Nimitta Abhava Hetu is there. But in Jagrat, Uchita Desha is there. Uchita Kala is there. I can go to Rameshwaram and come back. There is enough time. Gatva Deshan na pashyati प्रतिबुद्धस्य वै सर्व तस्मिन् देशे न विद्यते. That is true in dream, but that is not true in waking. I can go somewhere and I wake up there. So I have to convince myself that Jagrat Drishya is mithya. Jagrat Prapancha is mithya. Swape cha advitiyatvam. In Swapna advitiyatvam salila eko drashta advaito bhavati. He uses Shruti Pramana. अथ अस्मिन् प्राण एव एकधा भवति तदेवं वाक् सर्वैर्नामभिः सह अप्येति इत्यादि श्रुति सिद्धम्. सलिल एको द्रष्टा द्वैतो भवति. This is Brahadaranyaka 4.3.32. अथास्मिन् प्राण एव एकधा भवति तदा एनं वाक् सर्वैर्नामभिः सह अप्येति. प्राण is one, एकधा भवति. तदा एनं प्राणम वाक् सर्वैः नामभिः, all the words and the speech organ, everything becomes one with prana in Sushupti. This is Kaushitaki Upanishad 3.3. तृतीय अध्याय तृतीय मंत्र. ये श्रुति प्रमाण that there is Advitiyatvam in Jagrat also. If there is Shraddha, I can accept it. But it will never be my knowledge. I will never be able to convincingly say Jagrat Prapancha is Mithya. In Jagrat there is Advaitam alone. And therefore, lot of mananam is required. And then nididhyasana. Just people do little bit shravanam and they close their eyes. Or they say, oh, Shruti is enough, I've understood everything Advaita. It will never give conviction. And therefore, when problem comes in life, I will not have any support. If somebody says, Shruti already told you you are Brahma, that Viparita Bhavana is very strong, doubts are very strong. When everything is fine, you say, I don't have any doubt. Swamiji, I don't have any doubt. I take Shruti as Pramana. If that was the case, Shruti would not say, Atmavare Drashtavya Shrutavya, Mantavya Nididhyati. What was the need to say? Anveshtavya. Anveshanam, why the Anveshanam? Just listen and it is over. Why spend 101 years in Brahmaji's Gurukula? So one should not become very complacent, studying little bit and thinking, yeah, I know enough. And also not criticize, these are all words. These are all words. This is, and they will quote one sentence. What is that? Shabda Jalam Maharani. That much. Full shloka also they will not know. Shabda Jalam Maharani. As if Bhagavan Bhashyakar did not know. This is Shabda Jalam. Still he wrote so many bhashyas and granthas, so much शास्त्रार्थ. एवं विकल्पा भावेपि विकल्पना सत्या अस्ति इति पुनरद्वैत अनुपपत्ति इत्याशंका. एवं विकल्प अभावे अपि, in this way, even when there are no vikalpa, vikalpana satya asti. Somebody says, some Purvapakshi, vikalpana is real. Iti punaha advaita anupapattihi. So once again there is no possibility of advaitam. This is the ashanka. Iti ashanka. Vikalpana vapi tatha dvaya bhave tavastu yoga tadalata chakravat न शक्ति भेदोस्ति यतो न चात्मताम् न शक्ति भेदोस्ति यतो न चात्मनाम् ततो द्वयत्वं श्रुतितो वसीयते. विकल्पना वापि तथा द्वया भवेत् तवस्तु योगात् तदलात चक्रवत् न शक्ति भेदोस्ति यतो न चात्मना ततो द्वयत्वं श्रुतितो वसीयते. विकल्पना वा अपि तथा अद्वया भवेत्. That vikalpana also will have to become non-dual. Means it cannot be different from Brahman. Any vikalpana. All vikalpanas, they are projections. They are viparita bhavas. Avastu yogat. Why? Because there is no vastu with which vikalpana is associated. Like if I say in Rajju, there is sarpa vikalpana, sarpa kalpana. Sarpa is avastu. Avastu yoga is there with that sarpa vikalpana. Sarpa, which is non-existent, is associated with the thought of sarpa. That's why it is vikalpana. Rajju thought is associated with an object called Rajju. So it is not vikalpana. Similarly, Bhuchidra, Danda, Udakadhara, they all are avastu. Avastu yoga. That's why in Yoga Darshan, vikalpa, what is the lakshana for vikalpa? शब्द ज्ञानानुपाति वस्तु शून्यो विकल्प. शब्द ज्ञान अनुपाति वस्तु शून्य. It is only creating शब्द ज्ञान. There is no अर्थ associated with it. It is वस्तु शून्य. Like Vandhyaputra, the shloka is there. Vandhyaputra having taken bath in Marichika and has put the crown of Akasha Pushpa and has made bow and arrow from Shashashringa, and now he is going for hunting in forest. Neither there is Vandhyaputra nor there is Maru Marichika Jal in which he can take bath, nor he can make a crown from sky flower, Kapushpa, and nor there is Shashashringa. It is all vikalpa. There is no vastu there. It is like tad alata chakravat, alata chakra, alata shanti. So it is a chakra. You just go on moving and it creates different akara, shapes, where there is nothing in reality. Neither the avaha of those alat padarthas, they have come out from alat, nor they have come out from anything else. And where do they go? Neither they go in the alat, nor they go into something else. न शक्ति भेदो अस्ति यतः आत्मनां शक्ति भेदो न अस्ति. There is only one Atma. Tato advayatam shrutito avasiyate. Therefore, there is advayatvam. Tatha avasiyate. Avasiyate, what is the dhatu?
Sho antakarma.
Sho antakarane. Then how C will come?
घुमास्तागापा जहाति सांभवी।
उमास्थागापा जहाति सांभली. Which one is that? Sa. Sa, the last one. Bhumastha. Bhu sanyaka dhatu. Mastha gapa. Then jahati. They have given lat lakara rupa. And then sa. Siyate. Avasiyate. तथा दृश्यवदेव विकल्पना अपि न विद्यते इति पूर्व श्लोक गत अनुकर्षणार्थो वा शब्द. Just as drishya vikalpas are there, but Atma is still Advitiya. Like that, here vikalpanas are there, still Atma is Advitiya. Kintu avastu yogat avastu vishayakataya tan nirupyatvat अद्वय अधिष्ठान अतिरिक्त स्वरूप रहिता भवेत. अद्वय अधिष्ठान अतिरिक्त स्वरूप रहिता भवेत. रहिता का विकल्पना. Other than adhisthana, it becomes swarupa rahita. Bhave. Tatra loke tu alat chakravat brahma brahmat ulmukasya chakrakaratvavat iti yojana. Alat chakravat brahmat shatru pratyaya. While moving, ulmakasya chakrakaratvam, that firebrand, whatever they call, you keep moving and it takes different shapes. There is nothing, it is just light, one tip, but it takes so many rupa. Like that, Chaitanya takes all these akaras. यथा भ्रमतो अलातस्य चक्राकारता न पृथक वस्तु तथा विकल्पनापि चिदात्मातिरेकेण पृथक वस्तु सती न भवति इत्यर्थ. Just as alata chakrakarata, alata chakra is not different. No pruthak vastu. It is not a second object different from the alata. In the same way, vikalpana is not different from chidatma. Chidatma atirekena pruthak vastu sati na bhavati. Sati means satya. Strilinga. Tathapi na atmano advayatvam. Somebody says, okay, vikalpana may not be there. Still Atma is not advaya. Why? Drishti shruti matyadi shakti rupasya swagata bhedasya sattvat. Atma has drishti shruti mati vignapti, all these shaktis are there. Therefore, there is swagata bheda in Atma. Swagata bhedasya sattvat. तथा प्रति शरीरम आत्म भेद प्रथनात्. In every sharira atma भेद प्रथनात् सजातीय भेदोपपत्तेश्च इत्याशंक्य श्रुति विरोधान मैवम इत्या. प्रति शरीरम आत्म भेद प्रथनात्. In every sharira atma भेद is there. प्रति शरीरम आत्म भेद प्रथनात् सजातीय भेदो उपपत्तेश्च. In each sharira, Atma is different. Somebody, all these other Nayayika, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, they all have this idea. And they also, somebody thinks there is, Atma is Shaktiman. It has Shakti. So Shakti, Shaktiman, they are two. Swagata Bheda. And this is Sajatiya Bheda. So many Atmas, Bheda Upapattescha iti ashankya, Shruti Virodhan Naiva, Maiva. He gives only Shruti Virodha here. Mananam is, because all that is over now. In the last chapter also, if Mananam he will add, न शक्ति भेदोस्ति तथा च श्रुति अकृत्स्नो हि सः प्राणन्नेव प्राणो नाम भवति वदन् वाक् पश्यन् चक्षुः शृण्वन् श्रोत्रं मन्वानो मनस्तानि अस्येतानि कर्मनामानि एव इति बृहदारण्यक 147 अव्याकृत तद्धेदं तर्हि अव्याकृतम् आसीत् there where the what is there in 147? Anybody remembers anything important about 147?
Vidya
Vidya Sudra.
Vidya Sutra is there. Atmetyevopasita. This after that. This one. Siddhatmano drishyadi bhedasya upadhikatam darshati. I will see that word if it is. The Bheda, Drishtyadi Bheda is Aupadhika. Aupadhikatam would have been Darshati. Eko Devo Bahudha Sannivishtaha. This is Taittiriya Aranya 314. Ekam Santam Bahudha Kalpayanti. Rigveda Samhita 10.114.5. Don't think I have studied Rigveda Samhita or Taittiriya Aranyaka or Kaushitaki Upanishad. How do I know what is the number and all? Somebody has done all this work. I'm just telling you. Ekas tatha sarva bhutantaratma. This is Kathopanishad. This we study. Ityadi Shrutir Atmanaha Sarvatra Ekatvam Aha. The Shruti talks about Atma is one. All these quotations, Eko Devaha, Ekam Santam, Ekas Tatha, one Atma. So he showed Sajatiya Bheda, Purvapakshi showed Sajatiya Bheda, Siddhanti said no, Shruti Virod. And Swagata Bheda, there is no Swagata Bheda also. Tatha Bheda Nisheda Shruti Smrutayo Api Atra Udaharya. And other Bheda Nisheda Shruti Smruti Ekameva Advitiyam Ityadi you can quote here. Agama Bahyanam Atma Bheda Kalpanam Yuktya Nirakaroti. Agama Bahya Bheda Kalpana with Yukti he does Nirakaranam. Mithascha Bhinna Yadite Hichetana Trayastu Tesham Parimana Yogataha Dhruvo Bhavet Bhedavatam Hidrishtato Jagat Kshayaschapi Samasta Mokshataha. Mithascha Bhinna Yadite Hichetana Trayastu Tesham Parimana Yogataha Dhruvo Bhaved Bhedavatam Hidrishtato Jagat Kshayaschapi Samasta Mokshataha. Mithaha means Paraspara. Yadi te hi chetanaha mithascha bhinna tesham parimana yogataha kshayah tu dhruvo bhave. If those chetanaha means jiva, all these jivas, atma, jivatma, if they were actually different from each other, as Chaitanya Swarupa, if they were different from each other, then they will make the other parichinna. Because of Parimana Yoga. Parimana Yoga means Parichinnatva. delimiting each other, their kshaya would happen. Dhruvo bhave. Certainly there would be nasha. Why? Bhedavatam hi drashtataha. Wherever there is bheda, they all are vinashi. And if the drashta would become vinashi, all drashtas, like in Sankhya, Yoga, many drashtas, they all would be vinashi. Jagat kshayaschapi samasta mokshata. This entire Jagat, Dvaita, that also would become vinashi. Their vinasha also would happen. And mokshataha means when there is, let us say, somebody thinks so many jivatmas are there, but one after the other they will get moksha. Drashta will not be there, drishya also will not be there. Drishya is there only for drashta. And if you say krama, in one, only one person will realize that in one kalpa, then there is anantata. Some part is given in tika, it is not given in shloka. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.